How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to race a 2019 Subaru BRZ. I'm with my friend Matt here, rocking the Sylvester Stallone shirt. It's awesome. Great movie. Watch it if you haven't seen it. So, Matt, tell me a little bit about your BRZ.
This is a 2019 limited edition automatic BRZ. I have 200 horsepower on here, 150 torque. That's about all I know about it. I just love driving it. It handles great. I'm still getting used to the rear driving. I'm used to a front wheel driving, so it's just a great car to drive. It's fun.
Yeah, you had a Prelude before this?
Yeah, I also had a Prelude before this. I do miss that car a lot. I got in an accident with that when I was hit, so I wound up getting this. I just wanted something similar to the Prelude, and so this is what I got. Just about the perfect car for me to be driving around the streets and stuff. And
beautiful car.
Yeah.
Only has 2,500 miles on it, you said?
Yep, I barely drive it. It's about a year old next month. And so, yeah, 2,500 miles.
That is a
awesome.
Very clean engine bay, man. Do you have any plans for this, or is this just your...
I'm just going to keep it stock right now. I might have some plans later on. I could upgrade the car if they do upgrade the engine in the years ahead of us. So we'll see how that goes. But right now, I'm just cool with this. But, you know, I could always, do things on it, get a tune, or figure out what I'd want to do, maybe turbo or something. I'm not sure.
I mean, as it is, these cars are... I've test driven a couple. These cars are a lot of fun. For what they are, they're a lot of fun.
It's definitely a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It could use a little more horsepower, and that's the complaint that people are having with these cars is just the horsepower. Right. Other than that, it's right there.
Mind if I take a look at the inside?
Definitely. Get the Alcantara leather seats in there. You know, like the steering wheel is just awesome just to hold that steering wheel.
That's nice.
The infotainment system is decent. The stereo is decent.
I love those seats.
Yeah, they're comfortable.
Those are classy. Awesome, man.
The rear end is awesome.
Yep.
The little exhaust and how it's all set up, the lights and everything.
Have you gotten on this car at all yet?
I've gotten on a little bit, yeah. It feels good. Yeah, it sounds good. Yeah, I wish it had a little bit more horsepower, but it's good. I really haven't raced it much, but I haven't done bad in races either, so. Okay. Pretty close. I raced a Cadillac, I'm not sure, but it's something, and it was a pretty even race.
I mean, our race should be pretty even today. It should be pretty darn close.
I know you have more horsepower, more torque in your car. I think you're at 215 or 220?
No, it's actually, so my car, here, we'll go over to my car, I'll show you. This car here comes with 205 horsepower to the crank and 192 pound-feet of torque. So the only things I've done, I have the PRL Cobra cold air intake, and it's supposed to add up to 15 horsepower on the stock tune. And then I have the MAPerformance exhaust, which we'll get into. I put that on 2 days ago. I'll show you that in a second. So it's weird because they kind of, we see dyno charts. I'll put a dyno chart for this car on the screen here so you guys can see, but this car has been dynoed several times, and on the stock tune, it shows up making like 195 or 200 horsepower. So I don't know if Honda underrated this car to make the difference between the SI and the Type R greater, so that people, when they're buying the Type R, they feel better about themselves or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
But it is suspected that Honda did underrate this car. So that's about it. I mean, I don't know. There are some people who also say that the Civic Si has what's called like a power cap or something like that, where the ECU is programmed, no matter how many modifications you do to the intake or the exhaust, it's programmed to only make a certain number of, like a certain power. So I don't know. I don't
tune possibly to change that, or?
Yeah, I actually just got this thing in the mail a couple days ago called Ktuner. And there's this tune that you can buy from this company called Two-Step Performance. It's called TSP Stage 1, which I did purchase. So I'm gonna upload that sometime this week, and then it should make it a lot quicker. It's supposed to bring it up to like 237 wheel horsepower, and yeah, so
I like that.
But the only thing is, these cars come with a really, you don't have to worry about it in yours, but in this one, it comes with a really weak clutch. That's one of the big complaints about this car, is that they come with a really weak clutch. So I don't know, I might start having slipping problems when I upload that tune, but for now I think I'm good. I'm really excited, man.
Yeah, I'm way excited. I'm way excited. This is awesome meeting you and seeing your videos on YouTube, and now we're here doing this. This is awesome.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Super small world. So Matt actually commented on one of my previous videos. He's like, hey man, I just got a new BRZ, and What did you say?
So you watched my video, and I was leaving the gym.
Yeah.
And then you commented on it, and you go, that area looks familiar. And I'm like, well, I'm leaving the Gold Gym at Citrus Heights, and you're all, holy moly, I go to the same gym.
Yeah.
And it's just, we're a small world. It's
Yeah,
like,
we work out at the same
we
gym.
must go at different times, because I mean, I don't see you often there. I go in the mornings a lot,
Yeah.
maybe go in the evenings or whatnot, but that's so crazy.
That car sounds really good stock.
Yeah.
That sounds really good stock.
Yeah, definitely. That sounds good. Yeah, that does. Yeah.
Yeah, I just put this on Friday.
Yeah, that looks great, dude. It's so unique too, because I don't think I've seen that.
No, yeah, I think this is the only company that does the 4 tips, and I wasn't crazy about it at first, but I like it. They had a version to get just the stainless steel tips, but I thought the blue would look good.
No, the blue is cool. I would have done the same thing. I would definitely got blue.
Alright guys. Oh, I think I'm going out the entrance. That's alright. Oh, there's a Type R. Ooh! Nice. I totally forgot to take traction control off completely, so I'm gonna do that real quick. The way you do that is traction off, on, parking brake on, foot off the pedal, track off, track on, foot back on the pedal, track off, track on. You can see it's blinking now. That means traction is completely off. Which means, according to one of my viewers, it means that the throttle body will completely open now. Oh wow, that's close. That was close. That was really close. Damn, this is gonna be a really good race, man. These cars are pretty darn close to each other. His weighs a little less. You know, I have the intake, which should make a little bit of power, so let's do a 50 roll. Roll. Well, that was pretty fun.
Yeah, that's fun, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, bro. So you got footage in, right?
I got footage, yeah.
You think it'll work?
Yeah.
It'll work?
Yeah. I think these cars make for a really good race, man.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
That was fun. Yeah, but I have your contact information, so I mean, when I find a meet, I'll let you know.
Yeah.
You can show up,
yeah,
and
that'd be cool with that, yeah.
it's cool to see what other people do to their cars, you know, because some people go all out.
Yeah.
Some people go all out on their cars, and you know, I want to keep my car in a perfect balance of like between practicality and souping it up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like, a lot of people comment and they'll say like, when are you gonna get lowering springs, or you need lowering springs next? And honestly, I really don't want to lower my car, because like just going over stuff like this
you have to
would be a chore.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I really don't want to have to do that. I still want to be able to drive my car and not have to worry about bottoming out, you know?
Yeah. Just really drive it, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just have this. I mean, I don't really need to fix it up. I mean, as long as I can get on it all the time, it's just gonna last me. I do like to drive hard. And,
Yeah, that car will definitely last you, man.
So, yeah.
That's nice.
I like hitting turns and stuff in this thing.
Oh yeah.
About.
The handling in that car is
crazy.
superb.
I see it's kind of like a poor man's Porsche, is what some people call it.
Poor man's Porsche, yeah. That used to be the Porsche 944. The poor man's
really?
Porsche.
Yeah. I remember that. Yeah. No, I knew people that had that. Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this is basically the new, you know, for less than $30,000.
Yeah, it's a good sports car for under $30,000.
Phenomenal handling, you know. put a little tune on it, and it's rolling with, you know, rolling with cars with turbos and stuff, and it's a good car, man. And I love the interior on that car.
Yeah, I like it too.
I love the interior.
Stitch and everything.
I think just everything, the way everything is set up, that's really nice in there, man.
Control.
Yeah.
Controls are cool.
Yeah, this is really nice. This just feels like a little cockpit, you know?
It is. People are always talking about, is it a good daily driver car or whatnot, you know? And
oh, that steering wheel is really nice.
yeah. I got my stereo buttons right there. I can move the songs around if I haven't shuffle.
Yeah, everything's within reach. Everything's within reach. You know, this is nice.
Yeah.
I like this car a lot. Oh, that's cool. It's fancy.
Little details.
So what trim level is this again? That's the beer. What trim is it? The premium?
The limited.
Limited. Okay.
Yeah, so it has a bottom level, then the limited, then they have one more.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever their souped up one is.
Oh, the engine stop button is down here.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, this just feels like a cockpit, man.
Nice and tight. It's just like
very nice.
It feels different than driving other cars.
I like this. This is pretty unique. This little, the controls right here, the window controls. It's down here on like a kind of a slope instead of, it's usually like on this right here. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. It normally is. Yeah.
That's really cool. Little cup holders there. That's a really nice quality leather on there.
Yeah.
Right there too. Speaker housing.
And they have the leather next to your leg there because people are complaining about hitting it.
Oh,
yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Especially with the sticks, you know, from your leg up.
That's super nice. Sport, snow. You have a track mode. Heated seats.
Yeah.
So my car has heated seats, right? And I really want to get the Type R, but the Type R does not have heated seats. Yeah. Yep. Cool.
Good times. I'm gonna hit the gym. Do my workout in.
Hell yeah.
Do some grocery shopping and my stuff.
I'll definitely see you around the gym.
Yeah, bro.
I'll look out for the beanie. That's why I didn't really recognize you too well at first.
But I didn't want to wear it so you could see what I look like. But yeah.
Cool. All right, man.
Yeah, bro.
Thanks for coming out.
Good times. Thank you so much.
I'll
man.
see you soon. Yeah,
we'll
this
keep
is a lot
in
of fun.
Yeah.
I'll let you know when the video is about to post, okay?
All right, cameraman. Have a good day, bro.
You too, man.